Hey busy moms! It's 6 p.m. and you're thinking about lunch and dinner tomorrow. But you're thinking about ordering again. What if I told you there was a better way to do it? At heart, we all want to be able to serve our family the best, most delicious, and healthy food that they will need. But on top of everything that we're doing, work responsibilities, chores, and all that, who has the time? These are real solutions I've developed to help you, the busy mom out there, to still be able to take care of your family by feeding them delicious and healthy meals. Let's make healthy cooking possible even on your busiest day, only here at the Bailiwick Academy.